Cool world, what's happening? Okay, guys, check this out. Everybody want to know how to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the next 30 days or less. We're getting ready to hit the summer, and everybody want to get this money. You know what I'm saying? Be ready to ball out. You know, it's not over yet, guys. 28, God, dog, 2019 is not over yet. So check this out. This is the website. It's called Promoter. Promolta. Promoter. It promotes YouTube channels and videos legally partnered with YouTube, guys. Check this out. A lot of people don't know about this. It's only a small few know about this. But here's your opportunity to jump on this, make it happen. Here's some sample videos that I did. Views started when I posted was 516 now. Views started when I posted it 4 videos, 508 now, and so forth. Small channel, you know, just to experiment with this, just to show you guys. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to promote video. And this is how it works, guys. This is how it works. So let's put in Jeezy. I'm going to put in Jeezy since he's one of my favorite hip hop artists. And I'm going to go to right here, Jeezy All There featuring Bankroll Fresh. And guys, the reason why I go through these fast and quick, because I know you guys get tired of hearing the commentator, the guy that's doing the videos, or the girl that's doing the videos, talk and talk and talk and talk. Just get fed up. Just get straight to the point. So I'm getting straight to the point. If you missed anything, like I said, you go to the promoter, you type in promoter in your browser or your phone. It is mobile friendly. You set up an account, email, password. I'm going to put a link in the description, by the way, so all you have to do is click that. You go to the video, bam, I hit Jeezy, gonna hit select. Now, here's the most important part, guys. As you can see, you see where it says choose your target audience. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers, and we're also trying to get 4,000 watch hours. So what you want to keep this on, because it's going to default on like and comment all global. Subscribers. Check subscribers, guys. So you're going to hit subscribers. Leave it on subscribers. Don't forget to do that. Gender, you're going to do all. Age, you're going to do all. Location, you're going to do global. Here's why. There's more people in the world than it is in the United States. Come on, guys. All right? So if you just check United States, what's going to happen is you're only going to get views from United States, and it's actually going to shorten your view count. Remember that. So you want to do global. Advanced targeting. This is a music video. So basically, since you're promoting music, you're going to hit music video. Now, my thing is, if you're just trying to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I wouldn't even bother with that. I would leave it blank because you're just trying to get views and watch hours and subscribers to your YouTube account so you can get monetized, so you can start getting this money, creating these awesome videos, getting all these partners to put these ads on your videos, all that good stuff, blah, blah, blah. Now, so being that we covered that, remember, all you have to do is click subscribers. Everything else, just leave it the way it is for the time being. You're going to go to next. Here's another important part. Okay, budget, it's on $100. It's going to automatically default at $100. So here's what you want to do. You want to put in your budget. Doesn't have to be 100, doesn't have to be 50, doesn't have to be 20. It can be $10, guys. $10, 7-day duration, 500 views. Got it? If you want 14 days duration, 30 days duration, whatever, but I would leave it at 7 days. Budget $10, views 500. And then what you're going to do, you're going to hit start campaign. I'm not going to click start campaign because that's Jeezy's video. He doesn't need my $10 to promote his video, of course, because he's getting millions and millions and millions of views on each video that he do. So That's it, guys. Simple video. I left a link in the description. Get your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 30 days. I'm just going to show you something really quick. Now, as far as the subscribers, per video, say you promoted a video for 10 bucks, 7 days, 500 views, chances are you're going to get 200 to 300 subscribers. Seriously. You're going to get 200 to 300 subscribers. So 4 or 5 videos, you have your 1,000 subscribers. Here's how you're going to get your 4,000 watch hours in 30 days. Okay, let's put in 1,000. $1,000 you spend in the next 30 days. It's going to get you 100,000 views. 100,000 views usually is double the amount of time watched. So basically, 100,000 views would be basically 200,000 minutes, guys. Because remember, one person is not going to view 1 second. One person average time to view is 2 minutes. So therefore, it's doubling the time each person views. So therefore, 200,000 minutes divided into 60 is 3,333 watch hours. Basically, after that, you promote one more video for, I'll say $100. Divided into 60, that's going to give you about another 83. So maybe double, 83 watch hours, something like that. So basically, you're good to go, guys. You're good to go. You should be fully in the game with about 12 to 1,300 bucks if you spend. You have to do some investment in yourself, and then, guys, trust me, it'll be worth it. 3-4 months from now, when you're making 3,000-4,000 a month every single month, and it just keeps growing and growing because you keep uploading great content every week, every month, and boom, you got a full-time income sitting down in front of your computer, letting your videos do all the work. So remember, guys, like I said, $1,000 will put you in the game. $1,000. I mean, who knows? It could be $500 because you never know. I don't know what type of video you're gonna do. It could be a video that goes viral. You spend 500, you got your 1,000 subscribers and your video goes viral. Bam, one video did it. You spend 500, but hey, you're getting back 2,000-3,000 back. Got to invest in yourself. But this is the #1 site. And remember, you can go as low as $1. So $1, 7 days, gonna only get you 50 views. But hey, like I said, 50 views could be 100 minutes. 100 minutes, about an hour and a half of watch time, and so forth. So just calculate it up like that. You got any questions, guys? Leave them in the comment section. Again, I'm gonna leave a link to this website in the description. All you have to do is click it, pay for your video. And that's it, guys. I mean, you can test it out. Just do a video yourself and go here, spend $1, just introducing yourself, letting the world know what you're about to do. Spend 10 bucks, 500 people, as you can see, 500 views, but it doesn't count there because it's gonna keep going. It doesn't stop at 500 views. It's gonna keep growing and growing and growing and growing and so forth. So anyway, guys, that's it. That's my time for this. Hope I helped some of you guys. Thanks and have a great one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a free cookie. Bye.